Hola amigos! Hi friends! Today is a super special day. I'm having a picnic with my friends Liam and Anna. But I need your help. Can you help me make some yummy snacks for our picnic? Let's go! Vamos! Let's say it together. Frutas, fruits. Frutas. Get ready, friends. Today we'll make 2 yummy snacks using colorful fruits. Frutas. We'll mix, sing, and learn fruit names together. ¿Dónde está la fruta? Where is the fruit? Good job! The frutas are here. En la nevera, the fridge. Can you say it with me? La nevera. Look, mira, hay muchas frutas. Let's make our first snack. Vamos a preparar nuestro primer bocadillo. Look, frutas. Wow, so many colorful fruits. Can you look at the screen and help me find the fruit that is color amarillo? Point to it. Can you see it? Great job, friends! La banana. We chop, chop, chop. Cortamos, cortamos, cortamos la banana. Let's find la fruta color azul. Can you see it? Great job, friends! Muy bien. Los arándanos. Can you say it with me? Arándanos. Now we need 2 more ingredients for our snack. El pan y la crema de chocolate.
Primero untamos la crema de chocolate.
We spread the chocolate on the toast.
Untamos, untamos, we spread. Después ponemos las bananas. Una pieza por aquí,
One piece here,
la otra por allá,
the other piece over there.
ponemos los arándanos.
Uno por aquí, one over there.
Y hoy uno más listo.
Delicioso! We have our first snack ready. We just need one more. Let's go! Vamos! Wow! It looks like for this recipe we need una fruta de color verde. Can you see it? Great job, friends! Sandía. Watermelon. Repeat after me. Sandía. Let's look at the screen. Our last ingredients are 2 frutas de color rojo. 2 fruits. Can you see them? Great job, friends! Manzana, apple. Let's say it together. Manzana. Fresa, a strawberry. Let's say it together. Fresa.
Ponemos la sandía en el plato, el plato.
We put the watermelon on the plate, the plate.
Luego una fresa por aquí y otra fresa por acá. Finally we add some manzana pieces.
1, 2, 3.
¡Rar! Tenemos un dino hecho de frutas.
¡Qué delicioso!
Let's practice. Fresa. Strawberry. Sandía. Watermelon. manzana, apple, arándanos, blueberries, banana, naranja, orange. Thank you so much for your help today. Everything is delicious, delicioso. I hope to see you soon in our next adventure. Adios!